All right, the MonitorMate ProBase X.
Let's do it.
Let's get into this box, but before we do, man, I've reviewed a MonitorMate ProBase, I think it was ProBase HD. Great product, used it for a very long time, very, very useful product, but somehow they managed to improve on their previous model. So let's go ahead and dig into this thing. Yes, okay. Let me put this off to the side. That way we can look in here. Oh, okay, so inside of the box, let me show you inside the box. You get a very, very thick USB 3.0 cable. You see that blue in there? That's 3.0. Then you get your DC charging brick right here, which is, I do not remember. No, the last one was powered by USB-C. All right, so this one is gonna be a little bit different. Let's put this off to the side. And let's bring the star of the show back over here. Okay, let me strip you down, throw your dress over there. So you got that matte black finish. Man, that is sexy. It's just, I mean, it's just a monitor stand at the end of the day, but it adds so much more to your computer or laptop. So on this side, you got a little tray. It's just a little tray, not too deep, but you can store little things in here like memory cards, flash drives, maybe some extra cables or something like that. Maybe some Skittles. I don't know what you're gonna put in your tray, but it's up to you, whatever. So let's just slide this back in. And then we will go around to the other side. Okay, so here you have a bunch of interfaces. You got two 3.0 inputs right there. And then you got a quick charge USB-C. This is output only right here. And then you have a standard SD card slot and a mini SD card slot. And then you got a network input. Flipping this bad boy over to the underside, you got another 3.0 input. And then you got your DC input right there. I mean, when you think about it, it's pretty genius. You got a tray right here to store all your goodies. And then you got inputs on this side to get this thing powered up. And then you can use it pretty much as a hub. So once you get your laptop, let me grab my laptop. Now, if you're a laptop user, your laptop will fit on the top here. However, this is a 13-inch laptop. It fits on there barely, okay? So if you got a 15 or a 17-inch laptop, it will hang off the back side of it. Or you can just slide it underneath just like that and have your monitor sitting on top and you got your hub on the side right here. This thing is pure genius and it's kind of a space saver. That way you don't have to have a whole bunch of peripherals hanging out of your laptop. The hookup is super easy, works just like it should, and I like having everything in a central location. That way I can just slide my memory card or my USB drive in there, get straight to work without slowing down at all. What can I say? ProBase and MonitorMate, great combination, man. They make good products and I can definitely recommend this one, but I ain't no expert in this kind of stuff. But if this video helps you out even just a little bit, you make sure you throw those emoji hands up in the comment section and I'll see y'all at the next one. All right, apparently you had a good time watching this video. Well, today is your lucky day because I done already made a whole bunch of them for you to go back and binge watch. But if you just want to check out the new stuff, you make sure you smash on that subscribe button and tap that little bell. That way you'll know when it's time to come back and open up some new stuff.